To start managing your debts, head over to the Parties tab from the bottom menu. The Parties module is now open on the screen. Let's move on to reviewing the outstanding and cylinder summary cards at the top of the dashboard. To review your summary cards, start with this Customer Outstanding tile, which shows the total money your customers still owe you. Right next to it, the Supplier Outstanding card tracks how much you owe your suppliers. These cards give you a quick head count of your customers and suppliers, along with cylinders in play. The Cylinders Out card tells you exactly how many company cylinders are still with your customers. And this Advanced Cylinders card keeps tabs on cylinders held in advance. The summary cards have given us a clear overview of outstanding balances and cylinder counts. Let's move on to inspecting detailed party bottom sheets for a closer look at each contact. To inspect party details, tap the Customer Outstanding card to see exactly who owes you money. Each name here shows the unpaid balance, and you can tap any customer to open their ledger. Swipe down to close this sheet. Open the Cylinders Out card to see who's still holding your company cylinders. You'll see each customer along with the count of cylinders they have, so you can follow up when empties come back. Swipe it down when you're done. Tap the Advanced Cylinders card next to check customers who returned extra empties. These are the cylinders you owe back on the next delivery, not cash. Swipe down to close and head back to the dashboard. You've now reviewed the detailed party bottom sheets. Let's move on to understanding the search filter and action icons available on this screen. To understand the contact tools, check out this search bar, which lets you quickly find any party by name. These filter chips let you slice your list by type, outstanding balances, or cylinder status. Up top, you have handy icons to refresh balances, export a PDF, or import contacts from a spreadsheet. You now understand how the search filter and action icons work. Let's move on to reviewing the contact card details. To understand each contact, the tour now zooms in on a Mod Trader's card as a sample. The red balance here shows exactly how much money this party owes you. And these colored badges track the cylinders tied to this contact, whether they're out with them or paid in advance. We've now reviewed all the key details on the contact card. Let's move on to exploring the payment and swipe actions available for each contact. To quickly log a payment, tap directly on the outstanding balance shown on a party's card. This opens the Receive Payment screen, where the tour walks you through each field. Next up is the amount to receive. Enter what the customer actually paid, and if it clears their invoice, you'll see the Fully Paid tag pop up. Then pick which account the money goes into, like cash or bank. Once everything looks good, you'd hit Save to record it. The tour also points out this three-dot menu on each contact, which holds extra actions like editing, deleting, or fixing the opening balance. And here's a handy shortcut. Swipe left on any card to instantly access payment and cylinder actions without opening the full screen. We have finished exploring the payment and swipe actions. Let's move on to completing the Add Contact tour. To add a new customer or supplier, tap the red plus button here. This opens the Add New Contact form, where you'll first pick whether this party is a customer or a supplier. Next up, you'll enter the contact's name and their phone number, which you'll need later for WhatsApp invoices. Then set an opening balance if they already owe you money or have paid in advance. Finally, hit Add Contact to save the party, and that wraps up the tour. The Add Contact tour is now complete. Let's move on to creating a customer manually. To create a customer manually, tap Add Contact and fill in the business name in the name field. Next, drop their phone number into this field. Hit Add Contact to save them to your list. The manual customer entry is now complete. Next, let's import a customer directly from your phone contacts. To import a customer from your phone, hit the plus button and tap the contacts icon inside the phone number field. Allow the app to access your contacts so it can pull them in. Search for the contact you want to add, then tap the plus icon next to their name. Their details autofill, so just hit Add Contact to save them. The customer has been successfully imported from your phone contacts. Let's move on to adding a supplier from phone contacts. To add a supplier from your phone contacts, tap the red plus button and switch the contact type to supplier. Pull up your phone's contact list using this icon next to the phone number field. Search for the supplier by name, then tap the plus icon to import their details. Finish up by hitting Add Contact, and your new supplier is saved.